Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use one-click video generator in CapCut web version. All you have to do now, open your browser and open CapCut.com. So this is the start page, so you can try to sign in first, try to sign up if this is your first time use this CapCut, and after that you can click on the top left corner of your screen. There is a CapCut Commerce end-to-end content creation platform built for commerce scale and performance. Click it. Now here we go, there is one-click video generator. So create engaging videos from your product link and in a simple click. You can click it. So here, start with your product link or media. You can enter your product link here to generate or add media. So you can upload your media here. Now media is upload. Now you can click next and generate. So you can name your product, highlight your product, and you can use auto enhance, automatically take photo with white background and generate enhanced background. You can enhance up to 9 photos at a time, and you can customize script voice for your video but still gray out, and then generate your product. So let the AI create a video for you. You can boost your online sales and meet your GMV goals. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.